This is why you don't do your metallic floors first. What's wrong, Bruce?
Nothing.
They had stuff sitting here.
I had paper and shit on the floor, so I'm glad it cured. Hopefully it comes off nice.
When it gets polished or something?
When we screen it.
They went to town with a jackhammer right here, huh? They're like, fuck these floors.
And they came in and put all the, you know, the pantries, the doors, and the floors got messed up. So here's some more areas that we need to repair.
Alright, so we basically just gotta run tape along.
Repair.
The contractor community should be one of peace and love. It's a war between contractors.
I'd hate to be the guy that messes with us.
How Zach's neck isn't permanently like this
You're gonna have the world's strongest.
is beyond me. Because all he does is look at his phone.
This guy,
Look at him.
like, are you checking emails or your stocks?
Fuck no. You get a head shake from the supervisor.
2,000 years later.
This is the wolf signing out.
Like that.
No, do it like you did it before.
This is the wolf signing out.
Like,
That was a good one.
I have a blue house with a blue window.